In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move columns, rows in LibreOffice Calc. We'll walk through launching Calc, opening a spreadsheet, selecting exactly what you want to move, seeing the on-screen indicator that confirms the destination, and then dropping it in the right place. By the end, you'll be able to quickly rearrange your data without cutting and pasting. Start by launching LibreOffice Calc. When it opens, you'll see your grid with columns labeled across the top, A, B, C, and so on, and rows numbered down the left side. That's important, because we're going to use those headers to select and move things cleanly. Next, open an existing Calc file, or create a new one if you want to practice. You can open a file from the recent list or through the File menu. If you're testing, type a few labels so you can clearly see when a row or column moves. Now select what you want to move. To move an entire column, click directly on the column letter at the top. The whole column should highlight. To move an entire row, click on its number on the left. If you need more than one, you can drag across multiple headers to select a block, or hold Shift to extend a selection. The key is to make sure the entire row or column is highlighted, not just a single cell. With your selection ready, it's time to initiate the move. Position your mouse on the highlighted header area you selected, on the letter for columns or the number for rows, then press and hold the left mouse button. Begin to drag. As you drag, watch for a bold black line that appears between headers. That line is your insertion guide. It shows exactly where your selected row or column will be placed when you let go. Drag to the spot where you want the selection to land. For columns, move left or right along the column letters until the black line appears where you want to insert. For rows, move up or down along the row numbers. When the black line is precisely where you want it, release the mouse button. Calc will move the entire selection to that location, and other rows or columns will shift to make room automatically. If it doesn't move, double-check that you clicked and dragged from the header, not from inside a cell. If you dropped it in the wrong place, press Ctrl+Z to undo and try again. When everything looks right, save your file so the new order is preserved. That's all there is to it. Launch Calc, open or create your sheet. Select the row or column via its header. Look for the black insertion line as you drag, and release to move it exactly where you want.